Happy birthday to you, Anna. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Anna, look here. Happy long life to you, Anna. Happy long life to you. Anna, now blow the candle off. Oh, okay, clap hands. Clap hands.
Something to say.
Yes, say.
God bless you, Anna.
Oh, good.
What? Apna, what do you want to say?
What do you want to say?
Nothing.
What about flower? Nothing.
God bless you.
Oh. Okay. Asher.
Isa, what do you want to say? Say something.
Okay, now cut the candle. Cut the cake. Sorry. Cut the cake. Cut the cake.
I'm forgetful.
Which one?
Dad, let me.
Help. Grace, you can help. Grace, you can help. In the corner. No, this one. Yeah, that one. Yes.
Yeah. How are you cutting that one?
Ay, Fazia, thank you, Vida.
Thank you. Wow.
You can take half only. Yes.
Kunna, Laura, kunna.
Anna, take with you.
Kunna.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
And next week, Mama, okay? Yeah. You can feel them. Give Mama.
Give with right hand.
Kadaga.
Give with right hand.
Yeah,
Okay, fine.
Oh.
Okay, let me feed you, Nana.
A piggy, I'm not a piggy.
Let me feed you, Nana.
And your sister and your brother.
Let me feed you, Nana.
A
Nana.
piggy is a piggy.
Sit.
Ah.
Say,
Maro pudang ka loy ana.
A piece of beer.
Me phone that. Jj, give it to Jj, Grace.
To your sister and your brother.
Ah, good. Now give it to brother. No, that one. Give it there. Oh, it's okay.
Tare.
Give it to brother. Isha.
Sophie.
Brother.
Brother.
Happy hello, Mujina. And I will give you.
So, sorry mo siya matang piyo.
Give it to Shalin and Laura also.
Listen, what about that? Yes, to the boy. Who'll take this big one?
Give it to
Nang napigil.
Hey, Anna will give you.
Ana ato.
Shalin.
Afterwards, we'll give them.
Give it to Flower. Ah.
Apa now?
Apana, give it to Apana
Apa
some.
now is left. Apa now kam ko?
Take yourself.
Piyo.
Freedom, Mujina. Okay.
Ah.
Oh, good.
Ako'y milo.
Waiting.
Ako'y chatting rin para
Anna, give me more.
Yen sa local giyen.
No, last time you gave me, no?
What?
Anna, give this to me. Feed me.
Asa.
No.
Se. Ah.
No, feed me. Nah. Give me some. I know.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's enough for today.
you.